Do you know that you can actually buy a coin with less than $5? Go to sleep, then wake up the next morning seeing $100, $500, or even over $1,000 just with less than $5. If you are thinking whether it is possible, it is 1000% possible with Memecoin, guys. Now on this video, I am going to teach you guys how to trade Memecoin the proper way, how to see these coins that will blow in the next 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 hours, 24 hours, and make a lot of money with it, guys. So what I want you to do is to stick around with me on this video and do not go nowhere. So let's get started. Standing in front of my screen is a particular app called the Screener. So for you to do this properly, in fact, for you to make some analyzation on crypto meme coin, or for you to find the next 1000x coin to buy, you need this particular app called the Screener. I am doing this on a mobile phone because I know that a lot of us makes use of phones and some of us don't even have a laptop. So I'm doing this to tell you guys that you can still do it on a mobile phone just the way you do it on a computer. Now, for you to get the Screener, I don't advise you to visit the Screener using your Chrome browser or something like that. Just head over to Play Store, then type in the Screener on the search bar. It is going to pop out, and you do what? You install it. Now let us continue. Look at the homepage of the Screener. What you are seeing here are lots of coins. So if you get the Screener for the first time, this is the kind of things you're going to be seeing. In all these things, there are coins here that are going to pump massively in the next 24 hours. There are coins here that are going to go back to zero in the next 5 minutes or in the next 1 hour. So on this video, what I'm trying to teach you here is to locate that particular coin that is going to pump in the next 1 hour or in the next 24 hours. So this is the interface of the Screener. Now look at the topmost part of the screen. You are going to be seeing trending for 6 hours. Let me click on it. This is the particular place you set for coins that are trending within a particular time. Okay, what do I mean by trending? Any coin that is trending is capable of pumping, because a lot of people are talking about the coin. When you go to their Twitter handle, you go to the social media, different places where the coin are being talked about, a lot of people are upright that the coin is going to do well. So because of that, the coin is trending. But for me, whenever I come here, I set it to 24 hours trending, guys. So if you set it like this, you're going to see coins that are trending for the past 24 hours. Then the next thing you need to do is, now look at the downmost part of your screen. What you are seeing up there in trending 24 hours is what you're going to be seeing on the first thing you are seeing here, that you have, a clock logo beside it. All right. Then the next thing I want you guys to set is you click on all chains. Under all chains, you're going to be seeing different chains on which meme coins are built. Okay, you're going to see Solana, Ethereum, BSC, Arbitrum, Base, Hyperliquid, and so many of them. Most of these chains are where meme coins are built on. But everyone knows that when it comes to meme coins, that Solana chain is one of the best places you can find meme coins that are going to pump massively. Another chain where you can find a good meme coin is the Base. Okay, some people say that Base is a second Solana chain, is the new Solana chain. Another place you can find a coin that is going to pump hard, when I say hard, I mean very hard, guys, is Ethereum chain. But the problem with Ethereum is the gas fee. But when it comes to Solana, Solana's gas fee is minimal. Okay, the same thing with Base. But today, where I am going to be teaching you from is Solana. So let's click on Solana. After that, the next thing is you click on sort. So when you click on sort, you select per age newest. When you select it, you are going to be seeing coins that are just new. You can even set this place, you have 24 hours. You can even set 5 minutes, depending. It will be showing you a coin that has just been launched now. But for a better view, I want you to set it on 24 hours and then set the pay age to newest. But here, I have a particular coin on my mind that I want us to verify. This particular mom over here, let's take a look at it. So you click on it. So the full meaning of that mom is Museum of Memes. Guys, when I met this coin, I mean when I was preparing to make this video, this particular coin was less than 2 million market cap. It was around 1.5 million market cap, and right now it has pumped up to 2.6 million market cap. So let's take a look at it, guys. When you now come here, there are things to check out for. The first thing is the liquidity. Liquidity means money, the money that is being pumped into the particular project. Okay, so when you look at the liquidity, just take a look at beside it. Do you see a padlock? This particular padlock you are seeing here, guys, simply means that the liquidity is locked. So this is the first thing you should look out for. It is a green flag. It simply means that first of all, there is a good thing about this coin since the liquidity is locked. This particular liquidity you are seeing is the first money that was pumped into the project. If it is not locked, the owner of it can just withdraw this particular liquidity, and immediately he withdraws it, it will have a great impact in the coin. The coin market cap will go down fast. And on doing that, a lot of people will withdraw their holdings on the coin, making the coin to go down to zero. They call it coin rug. Okay, that's the first thing you check out for on any coin. Now, the second thing is the market cap. The full meaning of market cap is market capitalization, and a lot of you will be confused what a market cap is. Simply, a market cap is the number of coins that have been circulated multiplied by each coin price. Okay, each coin you are holding, the price and number of coins that have been circulated since the coin was created. Okay, you check for it. Definitely, guys, it is not always good for you to buy a particular coin that is less than 1 million market cap. Okay, just as you are seeing that I'm doing this video, you can see that the coin is rising. It was around 2.6 when we started the video. It is now at 2.8 million market cap. Okay, this is one of the things. In fact, this is the most important thing that shows you that the coin is moving. So that is it, guys. You need to check for the market cap. If it is less than 1 million, I don't advise you to buy, but definitely you know that we are here to make profit, and the more the risk, the higher the reward. So I'm not just telling you that it is a must that you mustn't buy coin that is less than 1 million market cap. Of course, I have seen coins that are less than 1 million market cap that did a lot of wonders, that even went as high as 15 million market cap, making a lot of people rich in twinkle of an eye. But just for a safety advice, go for coins that are more than 1 million market cap. It shows that there is an authenticity in the coin, and the coin can also be trusted. So that is it, guys. Now let's scroll down. Now, coming down most below, you are gonna see websites, CoinGecko, Twitter, and Telegram. Now, this is the next thing for you to check out for. You check out for their social media, their Telegram group or channel, and their Twitter handle. You check out for the number of members they have in their groups, in their Telegram, the number of members they have in their Twitter. You check out for how the website was built and the rest of that. You check out whether they have a blue tick on their Twitter. These things are very important. After checking that and all of that is good, then you come back to the coin, guys. Now, when you look at these three addresses, the first one you're going to be seeing here is PEPE. The second one is the mom we are talking about, and the third one is Solana. Now, the contract address of this particular meme coin is the one at the center, the one that they wrote the name. It is very, very important that you use the contract address of a coin to look for it, because every coin has its own imitation. Even USDT has USDT imitation. So when you come to a particular exchange like decentralized exchange and type in the name of any particular coin, it is going to bring out series of names, series of coins that are answering the same name. So how do you know the particular one you are looking for? It is by their contract address. So guys, let's tap on the contract address to copy it. After checking all these things, the next thing again that is very, very important for you to check is the audit. Under the audit, does it say the coin has issues, or does it say that the coin has no issues? So you must check for it. You must make sure that under this audit that it says no issues. If the screener says no issues, that's a green flag for you again. All right, but we are not going to be stopping here in verifying this coin. We need to further verify the coin so that we know fully that this is a coin that we can really bag and make some profit from. Okay, but remember what they wrote here. Look at what they wrote under this audit. They said the audits might not be 100% accurate. So guys, this is the reason why we should check more, we should verify more on this coin outside the screener. So guys, the next thing for you to do is to come to this website called rugcheck.xyz. This is a particular site where you check whether the coin has a potential of getting rugged within a short period of time. And what is getting rugged? It means a coin going back to zero. Apart from this, there are so many other things you check on rugcheck. Okay, so as you can see, we're already in the website of rugcheck.xyz. So immediately you come here, you scroll down to this place, you have token address. Click on it, then paste in the address you have copied and click on check. So that is it, guys. Now when you come down here, you're gonna see a lot of things. Okay, so you see the particular coin we are talking about. Look at it, Museum of Memes, and look at the risk analysis. It says good. This is another green flag, but we are not done yet. Then we scroll down, look at the creator's wallet address. You can even copy this wallet address and make more findings on it to find out how many of this coin the creator is holding. Okay, now look at this lock pool. The lock pool locked is 178.87%. all right, so we scroll down, then look at the liquidity locked here. You see that about 194.94% of the liquidity of this particular coin is already locked. That is what we saw on the screen, which is 262k. You make sure that any coin you are buying, you have at least 100% liquidity locked of that particular coin. Then let's continue, guys. The next thing I want you to check is for you to come down to top holders. These particular top holders shouldn't exceed 15% or at most 20%, guys. What is top holders? Top holders are the people holding the topmost part of the coin. Is there a whale in this coin? And who is a whale? A whale is a person holding a very large part of the coin. You that is buying this coin, you are using $1. $1 is nothing to the coin. There are people that are buying this coin with thousands of dollars. There are people buying it with $10,000. There are people buying it with $50,000. There are even people that are investing $100,000. These people are called top holders. There are even people that can even buy $1 million in this particular project. So these people are termed top holders. So you are going to check for this top holder and make sure that the top holder doesn't exceed 15%, at most 20%, guys. If it exceeds, that simply means that the coin is not good because the top holders are holding a greater percentage of the coin. Let's say, for example, that the creator created this coin, locked it, yes, that is a green flag. He locked some amount on the coin in order to pump it, and then bought this particular coin with 50% of the holding, and what remains here is now 50%. What do you think that will happen when this particular holder or the creator now sells off that 50%? The coin will go down, the price will go down drastically, and the fear in a lot of people holding the coin will also make them to sell out the coin, and the coin will go down to zero. So you make sure that the highest holder here is not holding more than 15% or at most 20%. All right, now when you check, you discover where we have account and you see the amount they are holding. Just take a look at here. You look at the first person is holding just 4%, the second person is holding 1.9%, the third person is holding 1.59%, and the rest of that. So you need to check all these things. It's very, very important. And the most important thing here is the highest holder. The highest holder here is just holding 4.74%. So this coin is good. So guys, when you check all these things, it simply means that this coin is very, very good for us to buy. Then the next question is, how do we then buy this coin? There are several places which you can buy this coin from, and one of the famous places is the Phantom Wallet. Okay, we have Radium, we have lots of them where you can buy this coin. We even have the Telegram bots which you can buy this coin from. Okay, we have the Bunk bots, we have the TradeWiz, and the rest of that. And for you to understand better how to buy this coin from Phantom Wallet, I want you to click on this video popping up right now on your screen. Let's go there.